After packaging, now I have a game package, a game that I can run and play, and ready for linking with the editor, of course. Just before proceeding, make sure that the game build we are going to rely on is located at the same location of our target Win64 package for UGL. So this is the location we have here, and it should be matching the location or our desired locations that we put here. Of course, you can add more, but for now, we only need one target platform, which is Windows, and it's located at this location. So back to the game. So now it's just Unreal usually do this thing quite a lot, so I'll just restart it. And until Unreal restart, I will start the game, and due to the limited space I have here for this video or this presentation, I will minimize the screen to something like that. Maybe it's good enough to see what is going on around the game. Maybe like that. But yeah, in a better world, you'll have, or you'll be working with two monitors, or even have a dedicated monitors hooked to your PlayStation or Xbox consoles. So anyways, so we have here a game we are playing and we're running, or somebody else is playing on their machine, and we need to change some content in the game. Let's say I need to change the materials that is used for those cubes with something else. Let's say we needed to change their color. That's it. We need to change this color. As soon as we change this, we don't save. We change whatever we need to change. We make sure it's dirty. It has this little star, and we don't save. We just leave it as it is. And when we are ready to send those updates to a running game that is playable here, we just click the UGL button, and the UGL button will show us what is dirty, what is being modified, and what can be sent to a packaged game. So if we deselect anything and we say saved, we won't save anything and we won't send anything. So basically anything you select here is going to be transferred to the game right away. So while the game is running and while we are playing, you're playing, moving, running and jumping and doing everything, and suddenly the game update. It might freeze a little bit at the first time, but later on it won't freeze. So for example, if I change this material one more time, let's say put something else, something a little bit vivid, and we link it, and we're still playing the game, running, and it updates right away. So yeah, of course this is not something you do with materials only, or with a single file only. You can do a whole lot of things. So for example, let's just change quite a few materials for now, because I like changing materials because it's very visual. You can see it very easy, and you can see and you can tell the difference very quick. So I change this material, maybe change the material used here as well, change some colors, change it like that, maybe white grid instead of the dark grid so it's more visible. Maybe change the surface here, something like that. Change this as well. Maybe change the materials that is used with the third person character, which I assume called Quinn here. Let's open here instances Quinn, and she's using two materials, this two, and let's actually open the character itself so we can see what materials we are changing. So let's put the character here like that, and let's change tint this material and that one as well. You can change pretty much anything. Yeah, it's not only about colors. You can change a whole lot of things, textures and stuff, parameters in materials, roughness and whatnot. Just make sure whatever we change, we don't save. We just make sure it's dirty. And now we change it this material, that material, and yeah, we can change this one as well. For example, for the sake of demonstration. Oops, looks bad. Looks bad. Oh, this one looks good. And yeah, so when we are ready, you just click link and it shows us what we have modified. It's the two materials for Quinn, the solid blue, I assume it's used with the box, and this two ones called grid is the one used for all the surfaces. So we say save selected, and while the game being played, it should update itself right away. It's still playing the game, jumping and having fun, and the game updates itself right away. So yeah, this is basically what you can do with UGL. This is not everything that you can do with UGL, but this is basically it. So you can do more other stuff. So let's see what else cool or even more cool